Hi, welcome back to Angie's Pantry. Today is going to be another Tupperware unboxing, and I want to tell you a little bit about our impression sets that are on sale. It's actually a collection. It's wonderful. These are beautiful in your pantry, beautiful in your refrigerator, and beautiful on your table. I love the impression set. So let's do the unboxing first. As a consultant, you can get some deals. So these are the Thirst glasses that are on sale. They're black normally, but as a consultant, I got these for $4 for a set of 2. Can't beat that. Anyways, fundraiser catalogs. As you know, we do our fundraisers. Straws. Now these work out great for the impression glasses or any of our glasses actually. Let's see. Oh, this is the dessert dishes. I got these because first of all, they're adorable and I can make perfect size serving dishes for my husband and I. Oops, sorry, we dropped the lid. So it does come with a lid, so like if you're doing puddings or jellos or whatever, or if you want to just use it as an ice cream, and that lid's tight, as an ice cream dish, you can do that too. There's a set of 4. There's the red, the beautiful blue. Oh, love that. What is that, aqua? And yellow, lime green. So them are pretty, and those are on sale for $15. Okay, I also got the Impression 2.5 cup mini bowls. Are these cute? And that's if you're in part of a party, you can get these for $10. So they go like that. You get a set of 2 for $10. Warranty, a lady had, her calendar was all wore out pretty much, so we warranted it, and so that's her warranty. Oh, the bread container keeper, I got that for $18. I couldn't pass up that deal. That sale is over though. They had water bottles for, I believe it was $7 as a consultant, and I got that. All right, orange peelers. I like to give those away. Also plates. Oh my gosh. So that's all that's in the box. We at least got to move. Now the plates are impression plates, of course. They're luncheon plates. They're reheatable, microwave and reheatable. They are, you buy 4 for $19 or buy 8 more for $29. I love our Tupperware plates. All right, now for the impression set. This here comes with, not this, the sale is you get the big large bowl and the 3 set of the impressions. So you get all 4 set with the set, plus 4 glasses, impression glasses, and 4 cereal bowls. You not only get the 1 set, you get the 2nd set. It's called the Impressions Crazy 8 set. Go to the link below and check out, and you'll be able to see the price there. With this, we also have our Tupperware colanders. You buy 1, get 1 free. Now with that, these fit beautiful in this medium one or the large one. This is the extra large, this is the large. And this fits beautiful in there. So let's say you're cutting up watermelon or muskmelon, any types of fruits that are juicy, and you leave them in here to sit for about 25 minutes to a half hour. All the juices will go to the bottom and stay away from your fruit and will last longer because fruit or produce that's sitting in its own juices will spoil faster. then you take that juice and either you make yourself a margarita or you freeze it. It's good. All right. Also, what these are great for making pastas or potato salad, and you put the salad in there, and you know how it sits for a day or two, and it gets watery. This is great. You just lift this up, stir it around, dump the water out in the sink, and put it back in there, and then it keeps your pasta and your potato salad longer. I love the colanders. Okay. So, also we have our impression serving spoons. Now what's nice about these is they store like this together, but to put them together, you just turn it, click it, and then they're like tongs or, you know, stirring stuff up. The impression 2-quart pitcher. Now this is the one, the lid is not airtight. It comes off. To pour it, to keep it flat, you push it down. To pour it, you push it up. I use this all the time. It's got our cold water in it. Right now, I use it a lot to water the dogs too. All right, another great thing that's on sale is our serving center set. You can, okay, this comes with the regular dish that will look like this, but I loaned it out. So, watch loaning your Tupperware out. So anyways, there's so many uses you can use for this. When you're doing up your taco salad, you could put all that in there, or just your veggie tray and your dips in the middle. Ice cream cones and your ice cream toppings in there. I even seen on where somebody took their puppies, they had litter puppies, and they had each one sitting inside. Adorable. I'll put that in the video so you guys can see it. Alright, that's also on sale. The butter dishes, that's on sale, but now your butter dish will look different. It's going to be blue, all blue, and this is the small dish. That's also on sale. So that's pretty much all there's a lot more on sale. You'll have to go to the link below and check it out. I do want to tell you all, I appreciate all your orders that you give me. It really does help. The impression bowl sets are amazing. I love, love, love the colors. What's nice about these is you store them all in one. I put just like so. Now there is a set of, if you didn't want the crazy 8, you could also get a set of these 3, buy one, get one free. So, to store it, you put them in there like that. You take your colander, put it in there. You take your other bowl, put it in there. This bowl, put it in there. And then you would take your little one and set it in there. Never store them with your lids on. Those lids are airtight. So you would put it like that. Your lid upside down. Your next smaller lid. That lid, and then I take this top one and I put it over the top, and that's how all those bowls store into one. I want to thank you guys for always being supportive of me with my Tupperware. I do have links below that you want to check out. I do Norwex, I've got Diplicious dips, I got collaboration, oh gosh, there's some links down below you might want to check out. You guys have a wonderful weekend. Big hugs from my pantry to yours. Bye.